Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to write a program in Python to make a dictionary with two given lists. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, let's say we have a list called roll numbers and another list called names. So what basically we are interested in finding is that we want roll number should be our key and name should be our value. That is, we should get a dictionary wherein 22 should be against Atul, 36 should be against Ajay, and so on and so forth, right? So this we can perform with help of a method, something called zip. So what this zip method does is it helps us to combine these two lists in a fashion that the corresponding elements will be against each other. And the way how it works is what we are going to do, what are the lists that we have to combine. So we have to combine roll numbers and names. So firstly we will give roll numbers because we are aware that we should make roll numbers as the key, right? Now second is what? Second is name. So let's provide names. Now what we have to do, now what exactly we need to perform? So we need to perform conversion of these two lists into a dictionary. So in Python we can convert this like with help of a method called dict. So with help of this dict we can convert this particular zip into a dictionary. Now let's print it and see if everything works. Now let's run this program. And here you can see that these two lists got converted to a dictionary, and this was all we wanted, right? Now let's see something interesting. Now here you can see that the number of elements that was present in list 1, which was roll number, was how much? It's nothing but 1 2 3 4 5, right? And number of elements that were present in names was again 5. So it concluded with it, right? Now let's see something interesting. Now let's say if the number is not matching, and let's suppose the key is having something extra, let it be 23 and 56 and anything 78. Okay, so here we can see that the number of elements in the key is how much? Is 8, right? And that in the value is 5. So let's see how the things will work. So will it give error or what will happen? And here you can see that it didn't shown any error. Rather what it did was that from the start it took the pair which was corresponding to it, and the moment the number of values ended from that position it ignored the thing. So here you can see that we got up to 45 as the key, and 23 56 78 was not adding on to it. So now let's do a thing. Let's add 3 part to it so that we can understand that is it okay to add them also. And here you can see that all the things got added. Why? Because the corresponding element was available. Now let's do the same with the key part. Okay, yeah. Now what we are doing, now the number of elements in key is lesser than the number of elements in values, right? Now let's see what will happen. Now this is going to be quite interesting because in this we will see what will be the key assigned to these three things. Okay, so let's change the name so that we can understand it better. Yeah, now let's rerun it and see what's the key that will be assigned to these last three elements. And boom, here you can see that the same fashion, same result we can see in this as well. That is, since these three values was not having any key corresponding to there in the key, right? That's why it was neglected. So this is all about the video. So this is how we can convert two lists into a dictionary with help of zip method and dict method. I hope you understood the video, and still if you have any doubt then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. So this was all about the video. Thank you.